Hey guys, it's me Rahul and today I'm going to show you how to change the location of the taskbar in Windows 11. It's actually a bit tricky, so let's get started. The first thing you want to open up is Registry Editor. You can either click on the Start menu, then search for Registry Editor, or there is an old method which is to open up Run first. You can also press Windows key plus R to open up Run. Then in there you can type regedit and click on OK, which will open up the Registry Editor. And you have to basically navigate to HKey Current User, Software, Microsoft, and you have to go to Windows, CurrentVersion, Explorer, and then you have to open up this folder, Cardstook Rex 3. So the path will be in the description, so don't worry about it, don't pause the video, everything will be in the description. And in there you have to open up this settings, and you won't really understand any of this, but basically what you want to change is the value which is in the FE column and the 08 row. So basically 03 means it's bottom, 01 means it's top, 02 means it's right, and 04 means it's left. That is how it is. So I want to change it to the top part. So what you should do is first delete it. So basically place your cursor over here, then press the delete button, which will delete that value. Then type 01, right? So now I have added 01 here, then click on OK. But the effect did not suddenly happen, right? So the next thing that you want to do is you have to restart the Windows Explorer process. So for that, just right click on the taskbar, open Task Manager. In there, go to the Process tab and look for Windows Explorer. One trick is you can just press W constantly and it will go directly to the processes which starts with W. So you can easily find the Windows Explorer. So select that and there is an option called Restart on the bottom right corner. Just click on Restart and which will restart the Windows Explorer program, and tada! The Task Manager has moved to the top portion of the screen. So that's pretty much it. That's how you change the location of the taskbar in Windows 11. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.